When a zakir who does dhikr with spiritually alive heart exercises the contemplation of Ismi al-Lahza, his every artery, vein, blood and flesh, his brain, soul, spirit and sir, secret in essence, his every limb of the body becomes vocal in the dhikr of Allah, and reply from the Almighty Rabb comes Labbaika Abdi, my slave, I am present. On hearing this reply, the angels immensely say, we have been in the state of praising, prostrating, and bowing down all our lives. But Allah Almighty never says, Labbaika Abdi. We wish we were also slaves. O person, recognize yourself, because you are special. Be special. Khanqah-e Haqqaniya is situated in Karachi, Landi Mills area. It's a spiritual place. Many people come here for their problems and want to find out the solution. In every Friday, after performing Namaz Jum'ah, here is arranged Mahfil Zikripa, which gives internal peace. After this, peoples served by Tam Langar. Here is cure in spiritual way. By the grace of Allah, peoples feel the relaxed during spiritual cure. Do come and be a part to this sacred healing process to start purifying yourself.